been 97 days since the first case was confirmed in Illinois. Finally, tonight, a glimmer of hope. Proof that a drug that's being tested on patients right here in Chicago can help block the virus. CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey has been following that testing for weeks. Megan, 2 Chicago hospitals were an integral part of this landmark study.
Right, Brad. UI Health and Northwestern Medicine were 2 of about 75 sites worldwide. 34 patients in Chicago were part of this study, which showed a reduction in recovery times for patients who took Remdesivir versus the patients that took a placebo. It also showed a reduction in mortality rates. Now, I spoke with the 2 infectious disease experts who headed both of those studies, and they said they both agreed that this could be a game changer.
I would say it's not a miracle drug, but it's certainly a very important drug and one that is much needed and would help a lot of people.
There's reason to be happy today that we finally have something to fight back with.
Now, the next step, the FDA needs to approve this drug for emergency use, which is expected after Dr. Fauci's announcement earlier today.
Megan, the company that makes Remdesivir says they've been ramping up production of the drug for a month now. So what do we know about supplies and how much would the treatment cost?
Right, Brad. So that company is called Gilead. They say they've been ramping up production since January. Now, they announced back in April that they were going to be essentially donating their existing supply to patients with the most severe symptoms. But right now, we don't have an idea about the current supply or how much it's all going to cost.
CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey on top of it. Thank you, Megan.